Welcome to another Meditate with Me meditation. Today we will just do a short pause, relax, open practice, which you can do basically anywhere as long as you have 5 minutes. Typically it's good to start with some deeper breaths. Relax the breathing. Relax the muscles, finding a position you can stay in for 5 minutes. It can be sitting or lying down even, or standing. And you can do this practice with open eyes or eyes slightly closed or just closed. So however you feel most comfortable. And just allow your body to settle and relax. Allow your breath to become deeper and slower, as it does so naturally if you just stop for a moment, if you pause. You don't have to do anything in this short moment, just be. And let your body and breath do its job. No need to control your body or breathing. As we pause, we slow down naturally. It might be nice to check for any tension in the body. You can do it from the head to the feet or the other way around, just scanning, checking if there's tension or maybe some discomfort. And at least having an intention to relax. Relax that body part, relax the muscles. So check specifically face muscles and jaw. This is where we hold a lot of tension. Try to relax a little bit. Check the neck and shoulders. As we work a lot with computers and at the desk, that could be an area for holding a lot of tension. Check the back. Allow the belly to be soft so the breath can easily come in. Go down the hips and the thighs, down the legs, all the way to the feet. Softening, relaxing, as much as it's possible. It's not always possible, and that's okay. Now that we relaxed a bit within our bodies, we can open the attention to the outside world or any other sensations that are happening inside of us. Could be you hearing some sounds. Maybe there are sounds from this recording, my voice. Maybe there are sounds where you are, passing cars, people talking. The sounds can be treated as a soundscape. Simply listen and allow the attention to wander from a sound to a sound. You can also allow any thoughts or emotions come in. And if you notice them, you can also label them or simply notice and move on if they are no longer so important. So paying attention to anything that's happening this moment. Opening our awareness. And if you get distracted by a thought that's very strong, you can simply say thank you, not now, and return to either relax your body, pause for a minute with the breath, and then open the attention, open the awareness again to everything that's happening. Pause, relax, and open. And we will finish this short practice by reopening the eyes if they were closed. You can stretch a bit, move around, crack your bones if that's what you like to do, whatever is comfortable. Scratch your head in my case. And I hope you enjoyed this short pause, relax, open meditation with me today. And join me for meditation next time. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.